Hey besties, and welcome back. And yes, 2 videos in one day. Your girl is working. But you guys, that previous video, please make sure you are paying attention. Purchase speed, okay? So pay attention. Follow the rules. Follow the bestie rules, okay? Anyways, hey guys, welcome back. It's your girl Marquita with Marquita LV Luxury. On today, we are going to go over just a little bit of the cherry collection. I'm going to spill out as much as I can. I don't want the video to be extra long, so we might have to break it up. But before we get started, like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend how much fun we have over here. But don't forget to visit your girl on Instagram at Marquita LV Luxury. Now that we have that out the way, you guys know exactly what to do. Go grab some wine or some tea and a light snack. Hurry back so we can get started.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want.
Okay, so besties, first and foremost, we got through the multicolor collection. The cherry blossom, guys, is coming in March. And then you have the cherry collection, guys, that's going to end all of this in the month of May. The best month out of the entire year is May. Okay, so guys, let's get started. We are going to go over the denim cherry collection that they just threw in here, okay? But guys, you know what? I love denim. I love denim. I just cannot, I don't understand. It's a change, okay? It is. This is a change. And I kind of hate that I threw it out there like, ew, no, because I am a plain person. It's either black handbag, monogram. I'm really not a colorful, like, I don't like things on handbags really like that. I really don't. I think they're cute and I probably love it for the moment, but it's just not big to me. But I have always loved the multicolor collection. And I have always loved the Speedy, the monogram Speedy with the red, the small red cherries. Now, yes, I have always loved that, okay? And we'll talk about that later. So, the denim. Guys, if this is something you like, please don't go by the comments. Don't go by what I feel. Go by what you like. And just know in 30 days, you can keep it or you can take it back, okay? That's just how we are going to roll from now on. Don't listen to people saying it's childish. What you like is what you like. Okay. So first thing first, I already showed you guys. They are coming with a Speedy Soft 30 in denim. How is this going to be? I don't know. I really don't know. I'm curious. I don't know why, but I'm curious. Red handle, you guys can see. And it also comes with a red strap. I can tell by this picture, it is going to be gold hardware, of course. Yep, it's going to be gold hardware. I don't know how this is going to be, but for some reason, I think they can pull this off with this denim, with this splash of red, okay? Guys, don't beat me up. I just see things different. Don't beat me up, okay? So we have this Speedy 30 Soft. If you guys are interested, I will have the product code information here. Screenshot is way too early for prices. You guys know this. Way too early. We are barely now just getting better pictures of the cherry blossom collection and prices. So guys, just bear with me. You guys know if I receive anything, I will update. Okay. Next, guys, we have the Sunset handbag. I don't have any in my collection. I'm not going to say I'm not a fan of it. I just don't have the handbag in my collection. I don't know why. I don't think it's an ugly design handbag. Here it is, denim, guys. And these cherries, they seem like huge strawberries. They don't look like cherries. They look like cherries, but not the size of a cherry, okay? It looks like a Christmas ornament. The red Christmas ornament, the balls, that's how big. It's like big balls. It doesn't look like, we just need better pictures. These look like, you know how we have the giant LV? It's like they introduced the giant cherries. Okay. We have the Sunset handbag, the product code information. And if you have a Sunset handbag in your collection, let me know as far as like the room inside. Like, is this a handbag that you can honestly use every day? Do you wear it as a crossbody, over the shoulder? How do you like the Sunset handbag? Like I said, I don't have it in my collection. Okay, so moving forward, guys, we have the Neverfull BB. And guys, these are horrible, horrible pictures. We honestly will not get anything that's clear probably until end of March, April. Okay, like I said, we're still struggling with the cherry blossom pictures. CAs don't know what's going on, so just bear with me. Just know these are the items that we are getting, and you just have to try to see if you can just match up the denim with the cherries. That's just how it is. So we're getting a Neverfull BB. I don't have a Neverfull BB. I don't have this size in my collection, but you can see here it comes with a strap as well. The lining, the top lining is red, and also the tote handle is going to be red. Guys, I am trying to see, are they going to release like on the denim? Like, I don't know. It's just, I don't know. I'm moving forward. I'm creating things in my head. It's not the time. So we have the Neverfull BB, the Kusin PM in denim, gold hardware. And with the Kusin PM, this is a vachetta strap. And it's not red. It looks like it's vachetta. But they still included the gold chain strap. I don't know how this is going to look. That's the only thing with this denim. I don't know why they added it. I don't know. I think it could have been just another straight denim line. I am all for change. LV most definitely need a change, but a good change. A change. We need handbags that we honestly can use every day. It's like I am just crying out for them to change up. I am crying out for them. If they don't hire me, hire someone to get in there and be creative and just design, create. OMG. Then we have the pochette, guys. That's coming out. It's coming with a small chain strap, and that is also trimmed in vachetta as well with this denim. I don't know how that's gonna look. I have the cosmetic pouch in the GM size. If I wanted to try anything out, I would probably go with the cosmetic in the pochette cosmetic in the GM size, because you can convert that into a handbag as well. I would probably go with the cheapest thing out of this collection or until I actually see it. But with this whole collection, guys, it's still going to be hard to get. I'm telling you now, it's still going to be hard to get. It is what it is. It's probably not going to be, I know it's not going to be as popular as the multicolored collection. They should have saved that for last. We are all hurt and still upset. They should have saved the multicolored collection for last. They should have went slow. Cherry blossom, cherry, multicolor. Multicolor in May. That's how they should have did it. We are getting a zippy wallet, guys. We are getting a key pouch as well. But when I look at this, if you look at the zippy wallet, look how big that cherry is. That's a big cherry. We're getting a backpack, guys, with a vachetta strap, a key ball 45. So, guys, this is the denim collection. Why? Again, like I said, I don't know. But take a screenshot, put it on your CA's mind, get a CA. Get a CA. CAs are all, like, they're all over Instagram. Now, if they want to work, I don't know. But they're all over Instagram, okay? So, guys, that is the denim collection. The denim cherry collection that is launching in May. Please let me know how you feel about it. If you are interested in it. If it's a pass, like your money is safe, like, ew, I'm not even thinking about it. No. Let me know in the comments, okay? So now let's move on to the monogram in cherry. This is where it got me. Why did they take the Speedy 25 away? That's like the most popular thing. And for some reason, I'm just into Speedy handbags. Guys, I promise, I was focused, laser focused. And remember when I told you guys I wasn't pre-ordering? I was like, okay, for this, I learned my lesson. And then it's in the month of May, my birthday. I'm not gonna play around. Like, I was reaching out, letting them know, and then when I was getting the information back, like, Marquita, it's not gonna be a Speedy 20, a monogram Speedy 25 in the cherry collection. I was like, what? Like, what? So guys, I'm not sure what happened, but there's going to be a Speedy 20. Okay, so I do have a monogram Speedy 20 in my collection, but for this, I wanted a bigger handbag. I wanted that Speedy 25. I have all Speedy 25 bandoliers. I wanted the Speedy 25 in this from the cherry collection. The OG that we see, the small cherries, not the big cherries. So guys, we have this Speedy 20, and the cherries are large. They're not the small original cherries, guys. But with this handbag, I don't know. Of course, it's with vachetta. They included, like, you know, the little bag charm with the little bow and the lock. I just don't know what's going on here with these enlarged cherries. I don't know. Okay, so we are going to have a white canvas Alma BB with cherries. A white Alma BB with cherries and vachetta. Apple Guard. Apple Guard. It's a 2-for-1. White and vachetta. A 2-for-1. Just like the Damier Azure print, okay? Oh, gosh. Okay. It's a never full MM. Usually, if you can't get the Speedy, you go for the MM. A never full handbag. I'm sorry. So, if you don't get the Speedy, go for the never full. But again, it's not the smaller. From the picture, it looks a bit smaller, but not like the original small. You guys get what I'm saying? It's not the... I don't know. The inside, of course, you can see is going to be red, trimmed in vachetta. This is probably the safest and the closest to the original look that we are going to get with this collection. Why? We asked for a change, so I guess this is a change. Okay? We're going to have a passport holder. And then, to me, this is different. The on-the-go tote GM. So it's going to be GM size. It's not going to be MM. It's going to be trimmed in vachetta. Gold hardware, of course. Let's just see how this goes. Let's see how this goes, okay? Then we have the East-West Pochette Matisse coming in the white. Guys, they substituted that Speedy 25. This is insane. Okay, we have a pochette, the Pochette Ivy handbag. That's coming in white as well if you are interested. It seems like the cherries are so spaced out. Do you guys see what I'm saying? The Nano Alma. That handbag is too small to have that cherry on there. It's too small. They just have a cherry stuck right there in the middle. Bow, bow. And the handbag is like this big. And the cherries is like this big. Like, come on. Of course, guys, vachetta trimming as well. Like, I don't get it, okay? I don't get it. Then we have the side trunk. Guys, the side trunk, carry-all, the all-in, these handbags, and I'm starting to see some slouchy handbags. 2025, okay? So let's go over it again. Side trunk, the all-in handbag. Which one did I forget? The carry-all, okay? And then we are also getting, I just said one more. Oh my God, it just crossed my mind because another one just came to mind. And we're getting mini bum bags. Guys, it's going to be a lot. And we are getting colors, okay? We are getting colors. Okay, so the side trunk MM, we have that coming out in monogram, in vachetta, and also with the cherries as well. Another Speedy 30 soft. They are throwing this at us so much because of the price. They want us to pay for the soft canvas. They want us to pay for the size 30, okay? And it's in white with vachetta. I don't know what else to say. And then it's also coming with a zippy wallet as well with 2 big cherries on the front. We also have the mini bum bag that they also threw cherry on the front. And it's small like the Nano Alma, and they have these 2 big cherries right there at the front. That's it. Just 2 big cherries. It's the same monogram mini bum bag we have in our collection. It's just with the cherries, okay? So, guys, I don't know what to say. It's like, that really bothered me. I think it bothered me because it was something that I actually wanted. And you know what? I'm not going to say want. I needed that. I've been waiting. I needed that. I actually wanted that a long time ago more than the multicolor collection because I wasn't into white handbags. I've always been a monogram girl. Always. You guys know I'm loaded with monogram canvas. I've always been that girl, okay? And I've always wanted that from that collection. And it did bother me because I was like, okay, now I know to get a CA. I know to pre-order. I know it's going to be crazy. And for this to happen. Gotta move on. So guys, so far, let me know how you feel about this. Like, is it a pass for you? Are you staying around for it? Are you going with the Neverfull? Because to me, I think the Neverfull probably will be the next safest thing. Unless you want a white. Or the Speedy 20. I really can't find an alternative to that Speedy 25. Unless you go for the Speedy 20 or the Neverfull MM. If you want to go bigger, go for the on-the-go toe GM. But I can't see myself carrying an on-the-go toe GM in canvas with cherries. I can't see that. Not even for you guys. I can't see it for myself either. I just can't see it. So like I don't know. Are we waiting for the Damier Azur collection? The Damier Bean collection? Is our money safe? You guys let me know how you feel about it. You let me know, okay? And guys, it's going to be some capucines come out. I'm not really a big on capucines. These pictures are very blurry, so if I get more information, guys, of course, I'm going to let you know. There is capucine mini that's coming out in the white, okay? Gold hardware. A lot of you guys don't even talk about capucines like that, but I don't know, guys. I'm not happy at all. Okay, so if I get more information, guys, I'll be sure to share. I honestly don't know what to say. I just think that right there was a big letdown. It was a big letdown. So you guys let me know how you feel. Like I said, if you're purchasing anything from this collection, after this, I am going to ease right over to the black denim. The black denim and the pink denim. But I do have an issue with that black denim, okay? I'm not going to tell you what it is yet, but I do have an issue with the black denim, pink denim. I might ease into June, summer. I might. It depends on how good you guys are. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Let me know how you feel about this cherry collection. Was that just a down, was that just an upset for you guys? If you were going to pass on it, let me know. If you're going to purchase the Neverfull, I want to know details, guys. I love this for you, especially if you're excited for this coming around again. So if you are going to purchase anything, don't feel bad about it. Leave it in the comments. Hey, do you? It's your money. Spend it how you want to. Just being smart, okay? As always, stay safe, stay blessed. Until next video. I love you guys. Bye-bye.